testRigor can run test cases the way they are written. The way it works is very interesting. By default, testRigor has certain language allowing you to express low-level steps such as clicks and entering data. However, you can group your actions into higher-level actions and give them arbitrary names. For example, if we were to test Amazon, we would have actions like find the product, add to cart, check out, and stuff like that. And each of them you would outline and say, okay, what does checkout mean? And what our customers do is that they usually have a lot of test cases already documented. In those test cases, we have certain language. Like as I mentioned, for Amazon, it would be add to cart, checkout, and so on. What we do is we copy-paste that language into testRigor and outline in more specific steps what does each term mean. More specifically, after they outline their own terminology, what they do is they literally come back to their own test cases, copy-paste their test cases into testRigor, and with as minimal cleanup as it's technically possible, their own test cases are executable out of the box. Literally, your own test cases written in your own language will run on testRigor using this technique.